Look who car that is right here. Gina play too much.
You want that lookie, yep, that lookie. You want that pussy.
Life is slow. Life is slow. Something fast that they go. Life is slow. Don't you know they not slow? Something fast that they go. Life is slow. Don't you know that? Don't you know they not slow? I can feel your touch. Come back with your push. It feels so wet. And I get my slow motion right back. The rules go always slow, toe. You don't know they don't like that rat attack. Damn right. Life is slow. Something fast that ain't gon' go. Life is slow. Life is slow. Something fast that ain't gon' go. Life is slow. In a dollar bunny for more. Something fast that ain't gon' go. Life is slow. Don't you know they not slow? I can.
Look who car that is right here. Gina play too much. What this one is?
This is the GLC.
GLC.
That's the GLC
Show to me. Now what you need? Swing my way. Shout it, swing my way.
Swing it over here, show it here, show
Show to me. Now what you need? Swing my way. Shout it, swing.
Okay, I'm good. How about at the after party? You and all your friends, so they let it be naughty. Sipping on the heat, I know you let it Bacardi. 1942, I take you back in the raw. Okay, I'm good. How about at the after party? You and all your friends, so they let it be naughty. Sipping on the heat, I know you let it Bacardi. 1942, I take you back in the raw. Okay, I'm
Shoulder.
Oh, mercy, 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 mercy. Oh, things ain't what they used to be. No, no. Where did all the blue skies go? Poison is the wind that blows from the north and south and east. Whoa, mercy, mercy me. All things ain't what they used to be. No, no. Oil wasted on the oceans and upon our seas. Fish full of mercury. Oh, na, na, na. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, mercy, 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 mercy. All things ain't what they used to be. No, no. Where did all the blue skies go? Poison is the wind that blows from the north and south and east. Whoa, mercy, mercy me. All things ain't what they used to.
All right, y'all. Welcome to another wonderful vlog. Wonderful vlog. I'm throwing this vlog out. I'm already outside, y'all. I'm already outside. So I like to jump right into the mix. Because I know y'all, I be throwing my blog out slow. Fuck that. We finna start out ready. We finna just jump right in the mix. And me and baby on another date, y'all. Another date. It's Saturday. It's hot. We hot.
Definitely hot, y'all.
Not the sun hot. We just hot. For being around each other. We get hot. Shit, we might fuck around. I might put my wanger thing
Oh my God.
I might put my wanger thing out in this back seat right quick. Just how we be. We get around each other. It just gets soaking wet. So, babe, where we going? Tell them where we going.
We are at the Derby. It's actually a man thing, tell you the truth. It's actually, I feel like this right here is like more of a date with your spouse. So we're gonna eat first. We're gonna look at cars, and we have the option to do the car race, driving, or playing golf. So it's about him. Today is his day. I want to give this for him today.
I don't know about the car shit. I'm a golf. I'm a
I
baby.
know you're gonna pick the golf.
I'm a baby Tiger Woods. If I'm older than Tiger Woods?
No. Tiger Woods older than you.
Not Tiger. I'm older than Tiger Woods.
You think you older than Tiger Woods?
Yeah.
Nah.
I'm like his golf father. I'm Tiger Woods golf father.
I think Tiger Woods is way older
Nah,
than you.
Tiger Woods young. I remember Tiger Woods first started. Shit, he was a baby.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so let's Tiger Woods down there 50.
I don't know.
I don't think he's in
I
there.
don't know. I know
Oh,
you
yes,
love
sir.
that.
Yes, sir. So we finna go in here. We finna eat, drink,
To eat, drink,
enjoy, and y'all rolling. Y'all like the road. Y'all like the road. Hey, my last vlog, it took off. It took off like hotcakes. So we need this to take off too. And another thing, if you haven't subscribed and you keep coming back, I thank you for coming back.
But subscribe.
But just hit the button.
That's all.
Just show me that you hit the button. Just say, Penthouse, I'm gonna support you. You know, you ain't asking me for no money yet. You know.
No, not yet.
You ain't asking for no money yet. You ain't asking us to come off nothing or buy something from me. You just asking us to hit the subscribe button. How hard that can be. And it's free.
And it's free.
So just do that, and we'll see y'all in the inside.
That part.
Y'all, we made it. It's what it is. Bunch of old people going in this mother. It's our first time going, so we'll see. They go to wifey, looking out thick.
Open the door. Regular.
I had one of these motorcycles back in the day, but it didn't work out for me. Hey, I had one of these too. You got a roof on it. Yes, sir. Got a whole barbershop in this motherfucker. Appreciate it.
Chris, nice to meet you.
Louis. All right. Oh, this is ice right here. Hey, y'all, this might be like a little car show.
My baby, I feel like I'm lost now. I feel like I can't even maintain. Got the weight of the world on my shoulders,
Bring you some tongs or something to scoop the salad.
And salt and pepper.
And salt and pepper. Ribeye.
Yes, sir.
16-ounce boneless ribeye. Yukon Gold smashed potatoes and shallot, red wine, marsala mushroom and shallot sauce.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
I gotta keep drinking all my troubles and regrets, wasting my time. Somebody tell me what is left. Seems like the only thing is to follow. Just round at the bottom of a bottle. See, I'm a little drunk. I'm a little all alone. Nowhere to call my own. Trying to hold it down, but somebody tell me how I believe with all this happening. I just can't trust another. It happens after enough, and I can't believe with all this happening. I just can't trust another. It happens after enough. Ain't way too long.
And the wife will put to play some golf, y'all. Watch my Tiger Woods. I told y'all I was Tiger Woods.
Real what you say, honey.
What you finna do in them hills?
You know, I'm like a kid. Like a little kid and do a little 1-2 for you. Yeah.
Show me how you gonna do it, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you think you figured that at the house, you're crazy. Oh, you right there, you. Let's see.
Uh-oh.
Dang it. It said ball outside the area thing. Look at the ball.
Close the door first. Somebody driving, y'all. Look at it. Swing that thing. Swing that thing. Concentrate that thing. How it was.
Maybe it's just my print on it. It was good. How did you like it?
I loved it.
That's all that matters.
That's all that matters.
Yeah.
Y'all hear that, my OG? She asked me how I like it. That's all that matters, baby.
All that matters. Right below as you like it.
That's all that matters. I enjoyed myself.
That's good.
All right, y'all. We back. give my ratings, and I got to say, the steak, it was good, but it just needed a little more season. A little more season. The potatoes, a little more season. A little more season. What about your food?
My wings was good.
Wings was good.
Mm-hmm.
Fries was good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, baby fry was good.
My food was good.
The drink,
My drink was good that I had.
mine was lightweight.
Yeah, yours was very lightweight.
But all in all, I give it a 7. I give it a 7.
Because they still growing too with this. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's new.
It's freshly new. Freshly new because even the manager, owner was here helping and stuff. So it's freshly new.
And we did a little golfing.
Yeah.
A little golfing. That was fun.
They had the golfing, you could drive with a car. That shit was hard though.
Yeah. But that just need a little more, 2 or 3 more fans in there for the golf.
Yeah.
If you go in that motherfucker and
It's
really
very
golf,
hot.
you gonna need a towel.
It's hot.
You outside for real. I guess they try to make it feel like you really outside.
I think so too.
And you really outside. But all in all, the whole, from the game to the cars,
It's the whole experience.
whole experience, I give it an 8.
Mm-hmm.
I give it an
I get 8.5. I want something.
8. It's good, you know, you want to take your woman somewhere. Y'all have a good time, you know.
It go for both ways for the men too, you know what I'm saying?
But it gonna be on the pricey side. Tell you now. Don't come here with your empty pockets. Cause you gonna leave the motherfucker be empty for real.
No, it's definitely not for that.
So, you know.
I think for anything nowadays, shit pricey, tell you the truth. If you ask me.
Yeah. But this pricey. You know how you go you look at the restaurant, they have like the $1 sign, the $2 sign, the $3 sign. I put to the dollar sign. It's gonna be, from my whole experience, from the food to the drinks to the game, it gonna be $3 signs.
Cause I think for the game it said what $50 per person, something like that, and then
hey, it'll be $3 signs, y'all.
and then the food wise, but you know, gratuity and stuff is added in. So,
I forgot about
yeah.
that. Definitely $3 signs.
Yeah,
But me and my wife, we enjoyed ourselves.
we did.
So,
enjoyed it.
I don't know where we finna go, but we finna go somewhere. Y'all know y'all rolling. So let's
Yeah,
roll
I'm
it.
glad I got my slides.
Let's roll it. Get that hoe from rolling. They said get that hoe from rolling.
What?
Never mind.
One eyebrow. You said you'd be gentle with me, and I hope you
For real. Y'all, we in Whitey World.
Yeah.
For real.
Yeah, I need this. I can put this on our porch. If you move your big ass grill.
Boo. I scared that is. All right, y'all. I ain't gonna take a piss, so I got to find wifey. She roaming. She roaming, y'all. The wife is roaming, so let's go find her. She ain't right there. She probably where the drawers at. No, not the draw. The panties. She might be with panties. Told y'all, there she go. Nah, I ain't boo-boo today. Look like oh.
Not your work.
I think these the right one, y'all.
It's like an Old Navy look. Let me show you.
Real quick, get it. That's what I'm talking about. Hey. Hey, OG. Yes, sir.
What the hell?
See, even though it's dark, I can't see shit. We outside, me and baby, we creeping. Hey. Me and my wife, we do creep. We creep with each other. We don't creep like, no. I'll give me a little tenderoni, and she gonna get her little dookie foot. No, we creeping together.
Like a long play them. Let me hush.
Yeah, we creeping together. So
Get his head knocked out. Food.
we finna head out somewhere. I don't know where we finna head out. We was,
Man, girl, you know where you want to go.
I was laying down. She woke me up.
Don't you sit there and tell them folks that lie.
Let me turn around, y'all. She said she want to be in the camera.
I don't want to, but I was just saying, you ain't got to tell them folks that lie. I was the one lollygagging, laying around and stuff. I ain't had no lashes on, no nothing on. And you told me to get myself together.
But at the end of the night, we outside and we somewhere in your neighborhood. Wherever your neighborhood may be, we there. Get some tea, baby. Get you some of that tea. I already know what time it is. When I pull this out. There's enough of her time. Yeah, my OGs, my seasoned women. We outside. I don't know what we're gonna see. First of all, I don't know. I want old school night. I want hoochie night. Well, as y'all can see what baby have on, I'm gonna go for hoochie. You know, you wear your little Daisy Dukes shorts, and when you bend over, the coochie be right there.
Oh my gosh.
The coochie be right there. It's for my OG. Season women, just ignore what I'm saying. This for my OG. OG, you know when she bend over, and the little coochie, it be right there. You can do that too.
It's always in the gutter.
Hey, my mind ain't always in the gutter.
Yes, it is.
No, when I wake up, my mind don't be in the gutter.
Yes, it do.
Yeah. When I'm asleep, my mind don't
Yes,
be in
it
the
do.
gutter. And then when I'm here, I'm asleep. So for 8 hours, my mind ain't in the gutter. For the other 8, I'm busy, I'm working. For the other 8, then it gonna be in the gutter. So it depends what time of the day my mind be in the gutter.
You know what? Good freaking night.
But yeah, OGs. They look, yeah. But anyway, y'all know y'all for the road with us. We've been rolling today, and y'all gonna continue to roll with us all through the night. So if you sleep, I don't think you sleep. Cause when I drop this, everybody gonna be woke. But I got some of my late night OGs and season women. They like after 1 o'clock, they watch me. Cause you know why? Cause I put them to sleep. I don't think that's a good saying. I take that back. I take that. That don't sound right. That don't sound right. But peace.
No, I'm alright.
You want that looking, yep, that looking. You want that pussy.
All right, y'all, we back. We back out there. Hey, we went to 2 clubs. We went to 5015 and Faces.
So, go home.
Like my eyes fucked up.
I don't know.
My shit creek-cross. So like my shit crisscross, man. But y'all, I just jump on here. I just want to end the night. You know, hopefully be a good night for me. And baby give me some cootie cat. We don't know. When we get to the house and it's cold in that motherfucker and you get in that bed.
Exactly.
And
You
it's
go to
cold.
sleep too. Shit.
No, we gotta take a bath.
I know once you get out that shower,
Hey, yeah, we
you
up.
get that
We
bed, that's over.
We gotta take a shower. We up. I know what that means. That hot water hits you.
It's over.
It might be over.
It's over.
Yeah, that hot water hits you. It might be over.
Shit, I'm trying to tell you, then you turn that fan on, it's over.
Hey, y'all, when I walked in the club, everybody trying to jump on my wife. The nigga at the door who would check. She walked by.
I walked by and and I asked him to check my purse. He didn't even really check my purse. The first thing he gonna say, talking about something. Damn, you thick as fuck.
I'm standing there wait to get searched. I could have just walked on in the motherfucker. He searching me and looking at her at the same time. So I know that motherfucker is dangerous. He at the door searching motherfucker. Cause a fine motherfucker walked through there, he looked all his motherfucking focus. And then we get in there. Some nigga with his gal.
He about to break his neck.
He just staring like a motherfucker. I said, yeah, he finna get his ass hooked. So immediately she walked off and left. And he got his ass up. I said, well, he got it up.
Crazy part, I'm standing in front of you. Like, that's the crazy part. Like, I be standing in front of you.
We don't care.
And twerking on you. And
We
like,
don't
these
care.
niggas still
We
just
don't
be.
care. Shit, it's a show. It's a motherfucker fine. And her nigga thing, she twerking. A nigga gonna look like, damn. It's just natural. Right? As long as you don't touch, you can look out there.
That other one coming in faces,
No,
though.
he
He finna just. I say.
Yeah, he was.
I say my husband right there.
His wanker thing was talking to him. His
God
wanker thing was talking to him. He just lost all train of thought. Yeah, hey, my OG, would you get you a nice woman, nice shaped woman? You would have these problems.
Not even that. Pretty in the face, too.
Nah, maybe. But nice shape, them niggas do. They go jump off the edge. They go do something crazy. That's why I gotta be ready all the time. You never know. You never know. you never know when I gotta go gangster. Hey, y'all, this is my freak when I go gangster. That's my favorite when I go gangster. But we got to go. Until next time, my seasoned women, my OGs, put my gangster face on when I do this. Peace. They peace out. Do your gangster look dookie. Put your gangster look on. You gotta put your gangster look on too. Put your gangster look on.
They don't want to see that look.
Now you gotta put it on for a week so we can end the vlog. Put your gangster look on. Now you gotta do the peace sign too.
Oh.